Hi, Carol. It's Michaela. Thank you so much for calling me back today. As promised, I have a quick 5-minute video where I'm just going to showcase a few things with your website on how to get new leads and generate some more business and income to your company. Okay, so having a little bit of a background in digital marketing, I can tell you that there are 3 main points that Google looks for when ranking different websites along their Google platform. Those 3 areas are going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So looking at your site, when I say content, I mean anywhere that text shows up on your site. I do see a little bit up here, and that's it. So to rank even for your website alone, so benchmark Maid, Nashville, Tennessee, or anything like that, you have to have that text in your content within your website. So to even rank for that, you need quite a bit of content. So I'm recommending about 1,500 words on your homepage alone, and I'm going to tell you why. If I go to your competition here, this is Lycra, another company that's ranking on the front page of Google. They definitely have a little bit more content on their website, and so to beat them for content, which Google does rank organically just for content, I'm going to suggest 1,500 words. Okay, moving on to your services pages. So what I recommend here is all of your services: carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, rug cleaning, tile and grout cleaning, any service that you offer. Under the services tab, I recommend you having its own page. Within that page, I'm going to recommend 750 to 1,000 words. Again, Google loves content. Let's look at an example. Anytime you do a basic Google search for anything, Wikipedia always shows up #1. Why? Because it has the most content. It's always pages and pages and pages of text. So Google does a scan every few weeks, looks for websites with a lot of text, and pushes them up to the top of the Google platform, okay? So we could definitely add a few pages for your services that you guys offer, your about section. We can definitely add some content here, do a little bit of information about you guys. But yes, 750 to 1,000 words on every additional page on your website. And in that, I'm going to suggest that you put keywords. What do I mean by keywords? Those are the things that people actually search for on Google, like carpet cleaning, Nashville, Tennessee. Those words need to be in your content on your website, okay? I'm going to show you, this is just, this is called Ahrefs, and it gives me just a breakdown of your website from a internet perspective and how you're doing on the web. This UR and DR here, this refers to your overall ranking on Google and how many good referring domains you have. So you only have 12 here, so what we need are more backlinks, good quality backlinks. We want these numbers to be as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible, and preferably both of them at or around 30 is where you're going to be a good sustained website and business on Google. You're also only ranking for 12 keywords, and within those 12, the highest ranking you have is at position 29, which is at the bottom of page 3. So anytime someone even searches for your business, benchmark cleaners, which 100 people do every month, they're not finding you on the bottom of page 3. Most people do not leave page 1 to search for anything off those pages, okay? So page 1 is where you're going to get the business at, and right now your highest ranking is on page 3 and farther back. As you can see here, you are getting 0 traffic to your website every month, so we definitely have some room to grow. So again, ranking for more good quality keywords. Let me show you Lycra's just to give you some perspective. They're also not doing too great on their ranking or their backlinks and domains. So they are not going to be hard to beat by doing these simple steps. They are getting about 80 people to their website a month, so they're generating a little bit more business and they're ranking for more keywords. But there definitely are some aspects that they're not doing. So from there, it's not going to be hard to outrank them with good text and good referring domains, okay? Lastly, I'm going to go over, let's see, carpet cleaners, Antioch, Tennessee. If I type in carpet cleaners, Antioch, Tennessee, we're going to see this Google map or the Google My Business. I'm not sure if you have a Google My Business or where you're at within this platform, but these top 3, again, are going to get the most service and the most customers just based on being visible and in people's face. So how do you get moved up this list? Citations. And what is a citation? A citation is anywhere that your business name, your phone number, and your address or where you're located is listed in some type of in some type of platform like Yelp or Yellow Pages. And from there, all those directories that you're a part of are going to also increase the stability of your site within the Google My Business. So by getting to the top of the Google My Business, Google definitely sees you as a stable business. Getting good quality backlinks and getting good quality keywords within your text also going to bump you up, and definitely you can beat the competition, no problem, as well as adding good quality content to your website, because right now there's nothing really for people to go off of just looking at your website. And then doing a separate page for residential cleaning and commercial cleaning, and breaking those down further into what services you offer for each. Also doing anywhere between 750 to 1,000 words per page. All right, well, I hope this was good information, Carol. Thank you so much for your time. If you don't mind, send me an email. Let me know what you thought of this video, any questions you might have. I do look forward to hearing back from you, and I hope you have a great night. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.